Is crypto good for beginners? If you have no prior experience to crypto, but you are willing and able to go through our short and simple introduction series, you can easily gain the confidence to make your first steps in cryptocurrency investing. So let's get started. Is crypto real money? Well, the definition of money is something generally accepted as a medium of exchange, a measure of value, or a means of payment. The simple answer is yes. A cryptocurrency is a digital representation of value that is built on a blockchain and utilizes cryptography. Crypto can function as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value. As crypto is still a relatively new asset class, not many shops and businesses accept crypto directly yet. You can, however, exchange most cryptos instantly into euros, dollars, and other fiat currencies using exchanges, or even mainstream payment processors like PayPal. So can cryptocurrency be converted to cash? Yes, there are all sorts of service providers that connect cryptocurrency buyers and sellers, whether it is from crypto to cash, cash to crypto, crypto to euro on your bank account, crypto to euro on someone else's bank account, or even a business account to pay loans, payments, utility bills, etc., all in crypto. How are cryptocurrencies different from blockchain? Well, as we mentioned, cryptocurrency is the means of value exchange, meaning it works as a global, universal currency. Blockchain is the trustless, decentralized, distributed ledger on which said crypto is operating on. In simple terms, instead of one central authority controlling the transactions like a central bank, a decentralized network of computers all over the world are validating and storing every transaction into a chain of blocks, each new block containing all the information of the latest transaction. This decentralized ledger is for obvious reasons called the blockchain,